Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Akinola and I'm so excited to welcome you back here. So in this short video, I'll be taking you through step by step how to use and how to maximize this top crypto research. So we are going to start with CoinGecko, then we'll move to LunarCrush, then we'll move to Crypto Bubble, then we'll move to CoinMarketCap, that is CoinMarket Calendar, then we'll move to airdrop.io, then we'll end it all with a popular one, TradingView, that has both fundamental and the technical tool. So let's get started. Let's start with LunarCrush. So this is LunarCrush. This is where we have all the socials. This tool has a lot of functionality. It depends on what you are looking for. It depends on what you are trying to. So let's say, for example, we want to know what is happening around AI. So the engagement, dimension, creators that are mentioning it, want to know the sentiment on AI. You can see sentiment on AI is 80%. It's huge and bullish. So let's even go to DeepSeek, which is the hot topic now. You can see it went very high and then came down. How can all of this help you in investing? So let's go to cryptocurrency. So these are quick highlights, top trending assets. These are trending assets. This alone, you can make a lot of money from these trending assets. You can make money from these trending assets. So for example, if you check the trending assets and you see that it is new, it has not gained a lot of momentum, you can use it for a trading signal. Because we have a whole lot of people checking here and then checking other places. So if a trading asset is trending and then you are able to get on it earlier, you can do some, on a very good day, you can do some 10, 15, 20% on it. By the time you do leverage trading with that, you make good money. So these are top earners, top gainers, recently added coins. Will also be useful because you know that by the time you check their charts, they are either dumping or they are picking up, depending on how the ICOs was done. So if they are dumping, you can short them. You can leverage trading and short them if there's a market that allows that. And then, if they are valuable coin, you can wait for them to dump and buy the bottom. So you can put them on your watch list. Hot sector, you can check all of these things and then be able to make money using them. So these are the coins and then these are the different quick matrices around them. So let's go to topics. For example, let's click on Donald Trump. So these are the news. So if you want to know and get a place where you can get the aggregate information about a particular topic or how a particular person is influencing the crypto market, this is where you come to. So for example, if I want to know how Elon Musk is influencing the market, this is where I come to. So as you can see, so you can play around this place and get the best out of it. The next one I want to talk about is CoinGecko. See CoinGecko, there's nothing you are looking for in the market that you can't find here. Whatever it is you are looking for, whatever coin you are looking for and it's not here, I would not say you should not invest in it, but at least take your time, because you might take your time and do more research. This shows the almost everything you want to know about different coins, the market they are in, the prices they are in, for people that arbitrage, what are the price differences, different categorization, either by exchange, either whatever it is. And you can also earn small money by clicking on this button, learn about crypto while you earn a little bit of those tokens as well. So there's so much you can do here. There's so much you can do. You can categorize all of the 17,000 coins by exchanges, by market cap, by volume, by whatever it is that you want to do, you can do here. The next one I'm going to talk about is the Crypto Bubble. Crypto Bubble shows the color of the market, what is happening in the market in a bubble form, and then at a glance you know what you are looking at already. So look at this. If you want to see what is happening in the last 1 hour, you can see last 1 hour is green, except for this okay, in the last 24 hours, that is the day, you can see. So meaning that there's something happening in the last 1 hour. Can you see what I'm talking about? There's something happening in the last 1 hour. By the time you combine the information here with the information on the first one we mentioned, Lunar Crush, you will be able to get some solid information to trade or to invest. So in the last 1 week, let's see what has happened. So in the last 1 month, let's see, this coin has done 1,160 something percent. In the last 1 year, and you can see it's live, it's changing. The last 1 year, things have happened. So you can tweak this to whatever it is that you like. There's a lot of flexibility. If you want to go from the first 100 coin, so currently is on the first 100 coin. If you want to go to the second 100 coin, that is coin 100 to coin 200, and let's go to the hourly. You can see what is happening. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the weekly. So you can play around with these two as much as you want to. And if you want to also check more, you can. There's a lot of data under the bubbles that you can as well check. And then if you can set the colors you want. You can add coins here on your watch list. First, let me go back to first 100, and then secondly, let me add few coins to my watch list. Or you can set them as preferred. You can do as much as you want to do and play around with this. It will really help you. The next one is Coin Market Calendar. Coin Market Calendar gives you early information of what is coming and then how you can prepare about it. So for example, this one says February 1st, which is today, 64.19 token unlocked. So you know what that means already. If this kind of token is being unlocked today, it means this token is going to dump. What do? You short it. It's simple. It's simple. You short it and you make good money from it. So exclusive deadline. You want to check what you can click on this, check what it is. Exclusive deadline. So you can check as many things that we want to check. So look at SUI. So SUI is having 64.19 token unlock. It's going to dump. You can just walk around this and then, make use of all of the information for your own good. The next one is crypto, is airdrops. So this gives you information of which airdrop is coming, what you need to do, and all of that. Isn't that a beautiful idea? Seeing all the airdrop coming in just one platform. So look at it. Sahara AI is coming up with airdrop. This one is coming up. Let's look at the confirmed ones. And you can even filter to be able so that you don't waste your time. So you can filter and say which one is which one, or if you are looking for information about the particular airdrop, you can search for it here and you will get it. Let's look at one of the confirmed and let's see how it works. So you get to read more here, what do you need to do and all of that, and then you have it. So the last one here is TradingView. TradingView, you can do both technical, fundamental, a lot of things here. So this is the crypto page. This can also be used for stock, for futures, for forex pairs, for bonds, for ETFs, as many things as possible. So let's start by searching for, let's say, SUI USDT. So you can see SUI on Binance, SUI on Bybit, SUI, you can see. So you have the flexibility and the options to pick, a lot of options to pick from. So let's not go to the chart yet. Let's see the overview. So if you want to see the all-time chart, this is the all-time chart. You can see, we can visit, we can go, a lot of things. These are the news that has to do with SUI. There was one 2 days ago, SUI rally high, double digits, this and that and that. You can see all of that. These are ideas from technical analysts. You can check them. You can even see prediction. So it's being predicted as a sell, because I don't depend on these. I do my own research. So you can see a whole lot of things here, and that's just, an overview. We can go from news to ideas to discussion, to technicals to seasonals to market, or you can go on super charts. Yes. Here you have it. You can go on super charts, do whatever you want with the information here. So a whole lot of things is possible with TradingView, a whole lot. You can even go back screener and do and set different parameters for the crypto market. Yes, you can do. So we can move from stock screener to crypto coin screener and play around with all of this filter until you get what you're looking for. So take your time and spend some time on all of these platforms and tools. You will really love it. If you have gained value from this video so far, you are not a subscriber on this channel. So why? Click on the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any part or any of my videos anymore. And then make sure you like this video so that YouTube can recommend more videos, more good videos like this for you, and also YouTube can recommend this video to other viewers like you. So thank you so much for watching this. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.